Good morning, Internet friendos, and welcome to another episode of Life According to Joel. While I was recording this, I was on hold on the phone with EI, and so apparently it didn't let me record audio because I was in the middle of a phone call. Today I decided to go out to Stanley Park and see how nature is holding up. There's lots of talk of urban parks being taken back by nature, so I figured I'd check out Stanley Park and see how all the animals are doing. Raccoons are fairly common in Stanley Park, so I wasn't too shocked to see this little guy. He's going along the waterfront, just clawing around looking for food that he can eat, digging around, and yeah. So, seeing this little guy forages in his natural environment is amazing. Love it. And did he get something? Oh, squeeze in there, get it, get it, get it. Aww. Didn't find anything to eat right there. If I continue walking around, the park's just looking really beautiful today. Haven't seen too much extra wildlife. It looks like the footprint is still there. Humans are still all over the park. You're not seeing them in this shot, but they are. So eerie and beautiful. Only a couple boats out on the water, pretty much dead. So when I was a kid, you could go to English Bay and there were always starfish all over the beach. So one of the things I have noticed now is that starfish have returned to English Bay. I'm not sure if that's new. I haven't been looking for starfish much lately. But there's definitely a larger presence of them in the area. As usual, waterfowl are everywhere. And it was a gorgeous day to go out and look at some blue heron and some seagulls, and yeah, just nice scenery and wildlife everywhere. Seeing if I can find anything under these rocks, mainly looking for crabs. I think, look at, there's some fish in there. That's nice. In the shallows, you can often find fish and crabs and stuff. So get back into the park and we'll go for a jaunt through here and see what else we can see. Like most parts of Vancouver, Prospect Point is all boarded up. No ice cream. I guess that tourists aren't going to be coming around here anytime soon with the international flights pretty much all cancelled. Still a nice view up from Prospect Point. You got the whole ocean, Burrard Inlet. Yeah. Point. So here's another blue heron. Blue herons are an endangered species, and a large part of their population is found right here in Stanley Park, where there's a rehabilitation program and a breeding program. Just a majestic and beautiful bird. Yeah, And some woodland ducks. Hey, you pretty bird. Hi, you. Hey, pretty guy. Look at you. Aren't you cute? Yes, you are. You are adorable. Yes. No, Canadian goose. Staple of Stanley Park. Hey, buddy. Hey. Look at you, pretty bird. Look at you. Oh, there we go. Got some more footage of this blue heron here. Busy grooming itself. Another trash panda. Actually, I think this is the same guy. Still hungry, eh? Did you find anything? Did you find anything? Find anything, trash panda? What? Yeah, he did. He's clearly eating something. What did you get? What did you get there, buddy? Oh, he's still hungry though. Still hungry. No, come on. Did you find something? Oh. Busy foraging for food. He's like, what are you doing? Stop stalking me. I'm just trying to go about my day. Looking for some food just like you. I love these guys. They're so adorable. Yeah. You see, oh, I think he's got something. I think he might have got something. Yep, he definitely got something. There you go. Eat, little guy. Eat, little guy. Oh. Hi there. You are adorable. Aww. One of the great things about spring is always seeing the baby geese. This is a baby Canada goose. It's got... Now, some people have reported seeing beavers over at the Beaver Lake. I didn't see any at the dam, unfortunately. I did see a lot of ducks around Beaver Lake, though. So, that's nice. The more ducks, the better. You got the cherry blossoms out, just gorgeous out here in Stanley Park today. So, unfortunately, I don't think that the environment has actually shown any rebound. Like, I haven't seen much that I don't usually see out at Stanley Park. I would say that the starfish population is definitely higher than usual, but I've seen raccoons here all the time. I haven't really noticed anything out of the ordinary, so it's not like Stanley Park is rebounding, but it's probably because there's such a large human population still coming through Stanley Park. Even with social distancing, people are still coming out to the park, which means that animals and wildlife are less likely to come out and rebound as long as there's a human presence. Alright guys, thanks for a great episode, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!